So the next thing we're going to do is to add a slab edge for our floor. So if you go to architecture, floors, right, you will be able to add a slab edge. Okay, so we're going to do just that. Now, but before we do that, we need a little preparation. So we need a profile, right? So we can add that profile as the profile that we're going to be using for our slab edge. So if you look at slab edge, I actually created a profile already. Okay, so slab edge, if I edit this, you can choose, let's say, yeah, I think it's just called family. I forgot to name it properly. So let me create that and show how that's done. You actually need to create a family. So you're going to say new family. And from here, select metric profile. It's a simple profile, okay, with 2 reference lines, and click open. Now the reference line, or the intersection of the reference lines, is the insertion point. So we're going to place our profile here. So it's the profile of the edge or the floor or the sidewalk. So we're going to create a line using a rectangle, create any, and then select and change this to 150. That will be 150. And likewise, we're going to select this, change that to 150. Next, we're going to create line, and this time we're just going to add a fillet arc. So we're going to add by clicking these 2 lines, and we want this at 95. So just click anywhere and change that value to 95. There you go. So that's our profile. Now we're going to save this file, save as family, and I'm just going to name it curve 150. So it's an RFA. Option 1, backup is enough. Click OK. And it's going to be saved in my exercise file or folder. I'll just say save. Likewise, I can load it directly into the project. So load the project. It's now loaded. I'm going to go to my 3D view, and I'm going to say architecture floor and floor slab. I'm going to edit the type and change this to the one I have loaded, which is the curve 150. Click OK. Now, if you want to, you can always duplicate before you make the change. Let's do that. Slab edge, curve 150. Okay. And click OK. So we're still in the command. I'm just going to select this, and you'll see that I get that nice curve. I'll just go around and add the curve around. So add it here and simply go around. Add it here already, so I'm about to curve. Okay. And this, okay, going around. I think that's the edge, right? If I'm not mistaken. And then I go back. Yeah, let's see. That's the contour, that's the edge. My building will be here. So of course I'm not going to place any right there. So I'm going to continue here, here. And it nicely also add that curve on a curve and an S curve as well. Beautiful. So just keep adding that. Now, of course, if you're going to place a ramp here, then make sure you don't add that curve right here. That edge curve. So notice we're selecting the top, right? You can select the bottom if you want it underneath or below, but we want it here at the top. So that covers our gap. Okay, nice, nicely done. And you're going to do the same technique at the other side. So let me show this in shaded view. Okay, oops. I think I need to change the material. Yeah, so why not do that? The type, profile, material, change this from no material to concrete, cast in place. Change the material. Concrete precast is good. Click OK. And click OK. There you go.